Welcome students, and in this video we are going to learn and understand why is the study of origin and growth of sociology important. So this is from your class 11 NCERT Sociology chapter 1, Sociology and Society. So this is the first question from your NCERT question bank. So we are going to understand this, and if you are new to the channel, definitely like, share and subscribe, and you can also download these notes from SkillYogi very easily, and the notes is available in PDF format and printed book, so you can study properly and revise easily for your exams. So you can visit our website skillyogi.org, or the link is given in the description below, or you can WhatsApp or call on this number to place order and to check these samples. So let us understand and see. So why is the study of origin and growth of sociology important? So here what we are going to do here is we are going to understand the mind map, because through mind map we are able to understand and remember the answer, because the answer is quite long. This is more or less a long form answer. So before you write that, the mind map is very much important for you to understand, so you can remember all the important pointers, and then you can make up and go and write as per your tone, as per the requirement. So we have to, the main focus is we do not want to mug up, so that is the main reason. So what is the mind map? Importance of studying sociology. So what is the importance of sociology? Where did it originate and how it is growing? So it shapes the discipline, principles and ideas, provides foundation for core concepts, and reveals evolution of subject matters and methods. So obviously, because this is a concept, this is a subject which we are studying here, but we need to understand the historical context and how it has developed into a discipline, and how it has developed into a field where we are studying this, and what are the insights that we have gained so far. So what is the historical context? So it started with the industrial revolution in the 18th and 19th century. You please remember 18th and 19th century, in where it was, the historical context is it started in the Europe in 18th and 19th century. So what was there in 18th and 19th century? There was industrial revolution there. So shift from traditional agricultural and modern industrial society, because a lot of industrialization was going on there, and because heavy machineries and human labor was being reduced and it was replaced by machines. So that is very important. So there was a shift of traditional agriculture, shift from traditional agricultural methods to a modern industrial society. And we saw how capitalism is working, how factories are being set up, and how urbanization is happening. Capitalism basically promoted, or basically it helped create more and more factories, and in those factories there were machines where people were going and working there. So it also questions about the social bonds and morality, because urbanization, a lot of people were migrating from rural areas to urban areas, and urbanization was happening there. A lot of different kind of people, different sections of society was intermingling there. So what is the development of now we are going to learn about the development of sociology as discipline. So focus turned on interconnected social institutions and systems. Please do understand this. Focus turned into interconnected social institutions and systems. Different theoretical approaches emerged. Like, how do we figure out? How do we understand what is going on here? How the society is changing? So this is very, very important. Why it happened? Because there was industrial revolution which was happening in 18th and 19th century in Europe. So from there, the whole concept of sociology started. So scientific research methods were created, empirical data and statistics were collected, and we were trying to figure out, okay, how this is affecting our society, how our society is changing. So then we understood the core assumptions and concerns and goals, and then we were able to basically apply sociological perspective into current issues and try to figure out what are the social issues that were hampering the society and how we are able to solve it. So this is the story of sociologists making a story of making modern world. So I hope you have understood. Now once we have figured out, okay, this is the mind map, this is the basic concept, now we are going to write down why is the study of origin and growth of sociology important. So the study, again, you can write down the notes, or you can download the notes from our website. You can get these notes which is available in PDF format and printed book format on our website. You can go and download there. And now we are learning this topic. So if you have any question queries, please WhatsApp us on this number, or you can visit our website. You can get all the content access on our website. So now we are going to learn and understand what is there in the NCERT. If you have to write, what is the definition? The study of origin and growth of sociology is important because it helps shape the subject according to its principle and ideas. When we learn about sociology first started, we can better grasp. We already understood that where it started. It started in during the Industrial Revolution and in 18th and 19th century, where in Europe. In Europe, sociology emerged as the way of study of rapid changes happening in the society during the Industrial Revolution in 18th and 19th century in Europe. Thinkers of that time were trying to make sense of the shift from small, as you understood, small and traditional agriculture communities to modern and urban and industrial societies. People were migrating. A lot of migration was going on from rural areas to urban areas, and because capitalism was promoting, a lot of factories and a lot of machineries was being built, so there was this move, there was this change of behavior. By looking at the historical context in which sociology arose, we gain insight into the social issues and questions the early sociologists were grappling with, such as effects of capitalism, factories, urbanization, creation of union, and labor exploitations, if you might say, modern slavery as well. So, following this, events and ideas that influence sociology over the time also reveals how subject matter and methods were evolved from early emphasis on large-scale historical change. Sociology turned into studying how societies function as a complex system which is interconnected institution, how different types of people, different types of people coming from different areas, different speaking different languages, from different type of communities, how they are intermingling and working together. Different theoretical approaches emerged to explain the social phenomenon. Research methods were also becoming more scientific, using empirical data and statistics rather than just philosophical arguments. This is something which you need to remember. It was more and more data was collected, more and more, we were trying to explain the whole process with data rather than having a philosophical argument. This is very, very important. You need to remember this. So, in summary, examining the roots and development of sociology as discipline provides foundation for understanding its core assumptions. This background knowledge allows us to better apply the sociological perspective to the social realities and challenges we face today. The story of sociology, origin and growth is in the sense of story of the making of the modern world. So I hope you have understood, and this is very important. You need to remember the mind map, and with the mind map you will be able to write it all together. So concept is very simple and easy, but you need to remember these key concepts, that is industrial revolution in the 18th and 19th century, from where it happened in Europe, and agricultural communities being there was a shift from agricultural communities to modern urban and industrial societies. Capitalism was rampant and capitalism was being promoted. So that's about it. Very simple and easy. I hope you have understood this, and now you can easily download the notes from SkillYogi. It is available in PDF and printed book format. So visit our website or call on this number or WhatsApp on this number to get any information or to place order. Thank you for watching this video. Take care. Bye bye.